Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2017 Chevy Cruze LT hatchback, stock number Z9174X. Only 19,000 miles on this one owner. This was owned by one of our employees, orange burst metallic in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle will serve a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, along with 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Cruze is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera. Lots of cargo space in the rear with removable privacy cover and very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Bose sound system, power driver's seat along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy-to-read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, as well as the backup camera display. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. Power outlet, USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials. And power motor control overhead. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 153 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average 29 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 38 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.